Good afternoon. God is good. And all the time. Yes, I'm Mr. Wanyoike, the Deputy Vice Chancellor in charge of academics in Kenyatta University. And I'm here representing the Vice Chancellor, Professor Wanyoike, and also the entire university community. I think this week has been a very, very tough week for us. We have lost 4 members, 4 people who have been so closely associated with us, but we are taking it to the stride. So first of all, apologies from the Vice Chancellor. Due to exigencies of duty, he's actually out of Nairobi, supporting Alumni University, making sure that it is on its feet properly. I would like to say before I share his condolence messages, that of the university, that we got to know Wanyoike through the Kenyatta University Alumni Association. And she was appointed as the interim chairperson of the association in 2021. But in spite of the short period that we have interacted with her through the association, we have gained a lot, we have made great strides, and we feel very, very proud of our alumni in the name of Wanyoike. And so allow me to ask those who are from Kenyatta University to come and stand here alongside me as I share this condolence message on behalf of the university. So the lady who is just coming is Dr. Rose Otieno. Dr. Rose Otieno is the director of the Alumni and Enrollment Center, and she also serves as the liaison officer between the association and Kenyatta University. And then we have Ms. Catherine Irongo. Ms. Catherine Irongo is the treasurer of the Kenyatta University Alumni Association. And then on the second from right is Professor Caroline Torua. Professor Caroline Torua is the acting deputy vice chancellor in charge of research, outreach, and innovation. I think I will only introduce those. I think all the others are part of Kenyatta University community, and we came to say that we stand together with the family, and we came to tell you that we are going to work with you all the way. Thank you. So allow me to read now. This is the message of condolence from Kenyatta University Vice Chancellor and the Kenyatta University community. The nuclear and the extended family of the late Wanyoike, the relatives, friends, and colleagues of the late Dr. Wanyoike. It was with profound sorrow that we at Kenyatta University received the sad news of the demise of Dr. Wanyoike, who passed away on Sunday, the 14th January 2024. Dr. Wanyoike was an alumni of Kenyatta University, having attained her diploma in education from the then Kenyatta University College in 1984. In June 2021, Dr. Wanyoike was appointed the interim chairperson of the Kenyatta University Alumni Association by the Vice Chancellor, a position she held until her untimely demise. Both in her individual capacity as an alumni and as a chairperson of the Kenyatta University Alumni Association, she served the university with dedication and zeal, and never tired in giving back to her alma mater. Some of the major initiatives she spearheaded while at the helm of the Kenyatta University Alumni Association include establishment of structures to support the effective functioning of the association, the official registration of the association in the Registrar of Societies, which was accomplished on the 17th of February 2023, that was last year, chairing the committee that was coordinating the planning and the fundraising efforts for the launch of the association and an alumni reunion which was scheduled to take place later this year. As a pointer to her dedication, she convened a committee planning meeting and a board meeting in the month of December 2023. She supported younger alumni groupings. She joined a tree planting ceremony at Kenyatta University's main campus, held on 28 March 2023 by the Kenyatta University graduating class of 1999. The commemoration tree she planted during that visit is a lasting landmark and memory of Dr. Wanyoike and her good work for Kenyatta University fraternity. She graced major university events, including graduation ceremonies and university community prayer days. She made donations for many shillings to support the education of the needy and vulnerable students at Kenyatta University. During my interaction with Dr. Wanyoike, I can attest that she was an iconic leader and had indeed a golden heart full of humility. To the family, friends, and relatives and former colleagues and schoolmates of Dr. Wanyoike, as Kenyatta University fraternity, we feel deeply saddened that we have not served her. We were so close to our hearts. Someone who has left an indelible mark in the education sector. Someone who positively impacted on the lives of numerous people as witnessed what we see today and what have done. As we celebrate her life, let us applaud her stellar role in the development of education and training in the country and commit to maintaining and furthering the rich legacy that she has left behind. May the Almighty God rest Dr. Wanyoike's soul in everlasting solitude. Signed off, Professor Paul K. Menina, Vice Chancellor, Kenyatta University. God bless you.